kids.
Okay.
So you go up online, oh yeah, post up my picture them. Or that one you look like this and that one you more big and that one you big. That's a low blow. I mean, I tell it.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. We're going bless up first and foremost. Hold on there with the latest updates, mix up and mix downs, AJA. So subscribe if you know over you says it. So viewers and the subscribers, we are going to talk about with the description of the video say, Zimmy and Flexx and Foota I currently have a beef a go on about a baby mother situation and jacket situation. Turned out to be that Foota Hype is the father of the born child over 11 years. Is he the kid at 13 now? I mean, I finally find the baby mother, as you can see, as him guys, and she have a lot to say about the whole situation, and I feel like say this could enlighten a lot of we. So let's hear what she has to say, you know.
Hi, Lava.
Pleasant good night.
Good night. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Not so good right now.
Not so good.
No, not so good at all.
Why not so good and we are living same way?
So, Lava.
Yeah.
So why not tell the people that who may get the honors?
Being at the dark.
Yeah, Lava, because here one now. I have my kids and I don't want my face all over the internet. My face
Okay.
all better, but I don't want nobody here or me to go carry on right now. In case
No,
it
but
might
fine.
get ugly.
No, but from your face all over the internet already, that's the big difference.
No, Lava, because no face, no case.
Okay.
No face, no case.
I understand, yeah, ma'am. So where you going with?
I'm there, Lava. I'm there.
So where you want clear for your chest right now?
So, since I don't want to do the honors, me get the honors.
Okay.
So everybody's supposed to know by now the big story. We drop with Foota, Hype, and Flexx. And everybody come and them talk them part. Want to hear from Foota. Want to hear from Flexx.
Right.
And hear from Mumzele push our way in.
Well, okay.
Okay, so the first thing I got to address, Lava. First thing I got to address is my kids, right?
Right.
I have 3 kids, Lava.
Right.
I have 3 kids, right? And things could have dealt with differently, right?
Right.
Them run to the internet, right? Because I guess them I look for clout. Them I look for accolades
Right.
and marmalades. That's what Auntie Daniela say. And to me, I look for the accolades and the marmalades. I'm not come show my face.
Understand.
So anyway, the first thing I got to address is my kids, right?
Right.
I'm up on the road and I see my phone start blow up. And somebody I say, oh, Mom's alive and I show your kids and this, that, and the third. So I'm sitting like everybody else and I watch the live. She went for my kids. You understand?
Right.
And I think that that's a low blow. Listening to people, she say, first and foremost, Lava,
Yeah.
I don't know her from the way.
Oh, you don't know her?
No, Lava.
Okay.
Me and her not have nothing. I want to
Okay.
understand me, I say.
100.
Me all right. So you see if Flexx I look at where I say now? A spokesperson.
Yeah.
Remember him can't come for live, you know. Because if him come back the story, I look like a bitch, right?
Whoa.
I'm gonna look like a bitch. So I'm sent for Mumzel now. First, she come and she say, a girl come here 2 weeks straight, me I put her up on internet. Me I put her up on pink wall. Remember, I said 2 weeks straight at 14 days that, you know.
Right.
So if you check the left side, me I put you up 14 days straight. Say what? You never do me nothing yet.
Right.
So me not have no reason. Whoever Flexx deal with ain't got nothing to do with me. Whoever I'm friend, in family, it is what it is.
Right.
I don't care.
Right.
She
Right.
come on live on my 3 kids picture, right?
Yeah.
Well, Foota and Flexx thing. When Flexx find out, Lava, I'm telling you this. Flexx are saying, I go like him no know. He knows.
Him know?
He knows. Listen.
Wow.
Mumsel go for the picture them picture. She start put up my picture. Them start the physical DNA. Who favor who?
Physical DNA.
Yeah, who for head big, who for eye big, who that one a favor. I'm a baby. Me have a baby almost two. She has showed me picture online. I thought this, that, but that is a low blow. If me have something, drag me up and down. If I feel say I have one up over me, you work with that one the way you have over me.
Right.
Don't draw my kids in a fuckery.
Right.
It's my son. It's my first son.
Yeah.
Was supposedly was for Flexx. Because since it's out there, let's just deal with it.
Right.
Supposedly be for Flexx and it's not Flexx. My son suffer from severe anxiety.
Yeah.
Severe. May I tell her like when we start out, him start from like on the medication 5 milligram and went up to 10, 15 to reach a 20 now, right?
Yeah.
When the picture posts online, my son comes to me like, mommy, what is going on? Why is my picture being posted all over? What is going on? Did I do something wrong? At the first me ever speechless in front of my picnic. Like, I just don't know how to say. Like, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
My son have a therapy when talk to every single day. Him anxiety severe. When I say severe, it bad lava you. Him will just lock up in my room and not hear me. So I'm going there. Is it them a cry or something? So when you actually go for my kids' picture, you go post my picture online now. You post all 3 kids. You would I want to favor this and that. No, you don't do that. You don't go for people's kids. You don't go for my kids. So now me left to deal with that. At the best of my son right now since him find out the Foota and father. Because I guess that piece of puzzle that missed from him life. And so from Foota coming in life, Lava, this is not a big up for Foota, but me just tell you about a real father. You see from him coming in life, Lava?
Yeah.
He are the best of my son. Me I tell you that. You see the medication them, me not force it on him. You understand?
So let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Your son now are 14, right?
No, my son is 13.
All right, 13.
Yeah.
And you say Flexx been know.
Okay, so let's get back to that.
How long now Flexx know that?
Let's get back to that now, right? I
Yeah.
have my son when he at 21, right? I leave from Jamaica for good when I was 23. So that made my son 2 years old, right?
Right.
My son born here. So that means that I come here, I have my son, I go back home. I get pregnant, I have my daughter, I go back home. When I left Jamaica, my son is 2 years old, my daughter is 6 months. I want to check the facts, because people are saying Flexx forget back 13 years worth of money or 14, 15 years worth of money. I want to check the facts. You can go back on the live them on YouTube and listen. She say, Flexx tell her say, me run there with him furniture them and gone a foreign over 9 years now. So that means say Flexx not in the picture, right?
Right.
Him not in the picture. When I come a foreign, my son a 2-year-old. Flexx not in the picture. Flexx not spend $1. Flexx wasn't being a father to my child. Not like that. Me now come here so come child playing a blame game or nothing. Flexx never did mind my picnic. When Flexx come back America, my child are 11-year-old. 11 when him come back America. You understand?
Right.
In between all them time there, I don't know if you remember, when I time Flexx visa get take away, you know.
Right.
With the whole Movada situation.
Right.
Now the visa. Flexx not stay in touch nor nothing. So anyway, my day America, Flexx live in Jamaica, Flexx not take care of a picnic. Flexx not being a father, Flexx not send no money, no nothing.
None.
Over the years, no lava.
Okay.
So you see the 13-year part, I think that's a clear up right now. He never be a father to my child, none at all. Anyway, now, if you listen to Foota live, Foota speaks some facts in him live. You understand? when my child grew up, Lava, I noticed like different features in him. Because you know, as kids get bigger,
Right.
the features start change.
True.
So some features on my thing say, okay, it look like him look like Foota. Me link Foota. Me and nobody not find out nothing. Or nobody not speculate or this, that, and the third. Me the changes and me want whatever wrongs me make, me want write it. Because it's not like me know from him born, I'm sit down with it and it wasn't like that.
So listen what I'm saying to you then.
Yeah.
At what age the child was when it starts to changes and kind of look like Foota?
Okay, like when him around 9, you know?
Okay.
9, so yeah.
So all before that, you have it as Flexx youth then.
Yeah, we have it as Flexx youth.
So all this time you think of the Flexx breed at them time then?
Yes, Lava.
All right then.
So anyway, Lava, me call Foota and me I tell Foota say, you know, say Ray, and Foota say, Tanya, you joke too much, man. And me I say, no, like seriously though. Me not own nobody, not obligate. Me not own anybody me owe my life to is my child.
Right.
Me link up Foota and we say, let's do this, and we do it.
When the child at
When
9?
we get about the results,
When the child at 9, you say?
What you say?
When the child at 9, you link up Foota for the
Now you ask me when we start to the changes. So
9, yeah.
9.
So at what age
So
now you
them
link
reach
up
around
Foota?
10 now.
Okay.
Link up Foota.
Okay.
Link Foota and you know Foota in schedule kind of sketchy sometime. So when him come New York now, we link up and we do the DNA test. When we do the DNA test now, me alone get back the results. So if me didn't want to continuously hide it, I could have.
Right.
This time, so I'm not living on a shadow. And nobody now make me living on a bubbles. I call up Foota, I say, you get your result? He say, no, I'm not get mine. I don't know what happened. He say, you get it, Tanya? I say, yeah, I get it. Then I say, Tanya, what it say? I tell him what it say. Say, it turned out to be you are the father. And him start say, Lord God, you know what this is going to come with now? You know, say, them him going to want to try to come with him bag of excitement, rate and say.
Right.
So anyway, Love, I'm link him brother, Flexx brother, him brother with 2 mother pitney. I link him brother, I'm a call him and him say, I'm say, you know, say so and so, and him say, damn sis, and him say, boy, this and my buckle, me not gonna tell him. So whenever you ready, you tell him. Because them are gonna want to run to the internet with a bag of mix up and the bag of excitement. So said Lava, so done. Anyway, within like in a last year, in a December, so I decided to here now. Foota want to be a part of the child life, and he was being a part. He was communicating with him and whatnot. So I say, no, I'm gonna start my new year with a secret. I text Flexx and I say, you know, so Omari is not your child or whatnot, and he text back and say, oh yeah, I did know. It done this so. Coming in a back and forth with him, it done right this so. Anyway,
but you never tell me what the father do?
No, I mean I said what the father.
Okay.
I said to him, I don't think I need to tell you who is it. Because I remember that mine a pitney, you know. Now 9, 10, 11, 13 years, Flexx wasn't giving me anything for no child.
Right.
And at the same time, I also have a daughter for Flexx.
So the daughter have for Flexx, he might take care of the daughter?
No, he not take care of the daughter either.
Okay.
So when I text him and tell him that, he text me back and say, okay. He didn't know or whatever, and him like carry on the text in the bag or whatever. And me decided to not go back and forth with him. I block him. Anyway, I send my son go to Florida because my father say he want to see him and whatnot. Him go to Florida, the happiest my son ever be.
Right.
Happy, my lover, he even forgot to carry medication. So when him reach, I say, oh, Mario, I see a medication in the kitchen, I forgot to put in a bag. He's like, oh, yeah, mom, but I'll handle it. Anyway, him there and him happy. Him and him father go out, him post a picture upon him WhatsApp. Flexx son was on my son WhatsApp. Him take off the picture and send go give Flexx now. So I come now, Flexx are gonna know who the father.
Okay. Understand.
Yes. So now the bag of the internet thing start now. Mumsel she now. Flexx start text my daughter phone and oh you big pussy mama this and whatever. So my daughter's like, Dad, why are you saying that? Like, why are you saying these things? Why are you saying these grown people stuff to me?
How old is the daughter?
11-year-old.
Wow, okay.
11-year-old, and them things them I text her phone. So I block him from the phone.
Right.
So now them want a little clout, you know, because I say Flexx have a little career when I try to resurrect, you know. Because Flexx career left for Jamaica a long time, and they at the bus stop.
No. Oh.
Yeah, I try to resurrect the career now, so him get a, the story up now, and everybody are going to know about this. So yeah, him use him spokesperson, which is Mumzel. She come now about the story now. Because she and the next sad bitch gang up together, you know. Because two sad bitch them come now. So them claim to say them come bring me down now by going after my kids.
Okay.
So you go up online now, post up my picture them. Or that one you look like this and that one you more big and that one you big. That's a low blow. I mean, I tell us a lava. You see how I feel, and then Flexx will go up online and talk about which picture did done. Flexx couldn't tell if my picture done so I'm bright. Because Flexx don't know what grade him in. Flexx don't know him right in English or Spanish. You understand what I say? But as me have a little career, he might try to resurrect. He might try to raise the dead. Because remember, say career left in career. Flexx not a career, basically. Flexx not a career. And the career, he might try to resurrect. I don't know which part to find that. So them go up on the internet. If them, let's say you get the story, right? You go up on the internet, drag me up and down, then up the road, down the road, around the corner, run on one part. Don't you?
Right.
You don't go from a picture them lava. You go up on, and them can go up on YouTube if them want type in the old Foota and Flexx. You will see the picture them picture all over. She share our screen and this and that. You say, may I come here for 2 weeks straight. 2 weeks straight means 14 days. 14 days me sending from Pink Wall. Me not like to see them 14 days with a Pink Wall story there because you're not important to me. Me not respond to what kind of relation, friendship or whatever you have Flexx. You know, that have nothing to do with me, love. Am I wrong or am I right?
100.
You're forcing yourself now. When she up on the live now, Flexx like the little bitch that him is. Get in the background now in front of her. She upon the second child that she supposedly have for Foota hear him now. No. Not the first one, not the second one, the first one, like a little bitch. The little bitch that him is. The little bitch that him is, and them daddy and them have a jolly good time and everything. So she make it as she want it to seem as if me and I have something, so she have a reason now to come talk. Me and this girl not have nothing. Me and this one breed, can't breed bitch have nothing. Can I say if you was a mother, you would have known say you're not good for people pitney.
True that.
That's a low blow. If you was a mother and the pain, you see when my son come to me and tell me, say, Mommy, did I do something wrong? Why is my picture on the internet with my dad? Lava me I tell her, I force me ever speechless in front of my pitney. I force me ever not know what to say.
Right.
And when I catch myself, I say to him, say, Omar, everything, go, no worry yourself. I say, you did happy, right? You go Friday, enjoy yourself, right? Yes, I said, that is all that matters. So them want accolades and marmalade and them a carry on. Flexx now, me tell you this. Me have 2 picnic feed, 2 more picnic than the feed. You say, if you say one DNA, you deal with it like a real man that is no lava.
Right.
No, I'm not do that. Him there on internet, big pussy girl, Flexx, you gotta say my pussy big, but remember say your tongue stretch it out. Remember you're the biggest freak, you know. So what you say?
At that me I talk about.
What you say, Flexx? Flexx is a hitchhiker. He's from New York to Florida. Mumzel come online and come talk about, oh, girl not even have an ID, she have an EBT card, now a green card. I don't want a blood clot green card lava. Because with or without green card, my people them have to get mine in. Me would take care of my people them. Me nah look no, me don't want nobody pat me on my back. Me nah look no trophy. So you have to come on live and come talk about, oh, now the green card. Mum said they don't have no green card either. You come on live and show New York State driver's license. Anybody can get New York State driver's license before them pass off to get immigrant license. You could have buy it. You have a 1500 you can buy it. Lava lie me at all.
At that me I talk about.
All right then.
Yes, I one address me live from me come America. One address me live. I want lease my name depend. Me not terrorize people for getting an apartment for me like what you and Flexx there Florida do. Me not terrorize nobody. Flexx is a little hitchhiker. Yeah? When him go Florida for 2 years and him can't stable, because them not stop terrorize people for put apartment in them name. I'm gonna say me running from Jamaica with furniture now. Remember, I not check the levels now. Me running from Jamaica with the furniture. Flexx one better one just so you have. I the one who may ever own in your life. All these years you live with a And me I live with. Anybody from Manning's Road wish to come talk the truth. And me give all the buzz where you have. Flexx wasn't a big artist. And not like me, I run being an artist and whatever. No. And then look a career where you try to raise now. The dead where you try to raise now. It never happen.
No. Oh.
It never happen. So if I this fitness situation, you try to look at a bus off, it never work for your Flexx. Like your career done. You're not having a career. You don't have a career. So I don't know when them a try. Maybe if I'm going to check my over the back pocket, maybe can find him career in it. No, go on for Flexx right now. So if them feel like, say, oh, Tanya embarrassed and she get...
Hold on there. We're going to restart back the live in a 3 seconds. Restart and lag on back right.